Leadership Award goes to Evelyn E. Benaventura. May we call on the guests of Evelyn to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 82% goes to Evangeline M. Flores. May we call on the guests of Evangeline to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 82.50%. Leadership Award goes to Merly Jean U. Estor. May we request the guests of Merly to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 82.50% goes to Myra Lee A. De La Cruz. May we call on the guests of Myra Lee to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 83.50% goes to Sheena G. Lupaas. May we call on? Academic Excellence Award garnering 83.50% goes to Michelle M. Biham. May we call on the guests of Michelle to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 84% goes to Marivin E. Estacio. May we call on the guests of Marivin to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Academic Excellence Award garnering 84.50% goes to Maureen S. Pabalinas. May we call on the guests of Maureen? Academic Excellence Award garnering 84.50%. Leadership Award goes to Evelyn B. Palakay. May we call on the guests of Evelyn to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award garnering 84.50% goes to Mary Grace P. Nieves. May we call on the guest of Mary Grace to please come up on the stage. Victoria to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award, garnering 85.85%, goes to Rayan V. Bravo. May we call on the guests of Rayan to please come up on the stage.
Lowest ko kaya. Lowest ko kaya. Lowest ko kaya.
Academic Excellence Award, garnering 86.50%, goes to Lilibet D. Panuelos. May we call on the guests of Lilibet to please come up on the stage.
Wala akong wasak.
Academic Excellence Award, garnering 89%. Leadership Award goes to Maribeth L. Flores. May we call on the guests of Maribeth to please come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award, garnering 90.50%. Best in white uniform goes to Joy M. Antonio. May we request the guest of Joy to come up on the stage. Academic Excellence Award, garnering 92%. Best in white uniform goes to Lenny M. Destreza. May we call on the guests of Lenny to please come up on the stage. Congratulations to all with flying colors and awards received. We know you deserve it. Congratulations again. Indeed, your sleepless night of studies are paying off. Let us hear the valedictory speech of the selected courses to give their inspirational messages to everyone. We will start with the Nursing Caregiver Batch 27. May I call on Miss Evelyn G. Dumale to give her message.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, fellow graduates, friends, employers,